Hello friends, welcome back to my lectures. In this video, we are going to discuss about role of a nurse as a manager. Nursing is a unique profession and also nursing is a noble profession. Being a nurse is more than a job. That means it is a way of life. A nurse manager is in charge of hiring and supervising the nursing staff of a hospital or other healthcare organization. A nurse manager provides oversight for a nursing staff and completes administrative tasks to ensure the healthcare facility is running smoothly or not. Responsible for personal matters, a nurse manager coordinates staffing and all needs related to patient care. This position serves as a conduit between frontline staff, physicians, and other administrators. Management is the process of directing teams and nursing departments to maintain best practices and organization when providing care to the patients. Nurse managers direct the daily processes and routines of the medical facility they work in, and they instruct nursing staff through hands-on approaches to ensure the efficacy of patient care and treatment plans. The educational requirements to become a nurse manager are: in order to become a nurse manager, an individual must first attend an accredited university or college and graduate with a bachelor's degree in nursing. Also, a master's degree is often required. After this has been completed, the nurse must obtain experience in the form of direct patient care, ideally in an acute care setting such as hospital. The length of experience is variable depending upon the type of hospital and policies of various hospitals. Though many employers will require at least 5 years of experience for this type of role, many nurse manager positions promote and hire from within the staff nurses if there is interest. Skills required for a nurse manager are leadership skills, teamwork skills, technical skills, communication skills, emotional intelligence like judgment, supervision, informing others, nursing skills, creating a safe and effective environment, hospital environment, medical teamwork, listening, pain management, administering medications, and effective adult health care. So there are various categories of nursing personnel as mentioned. Example: staff nurse, senior staff nurse, nursing superintendent grade 1, nursing superintendent grade 2, nursing tutor or clinical instructor, lecturer College of Nursing, assistant professor College of Nursing, professor College of Nursing, principal College of Nursing, and public health nurse. Let us see the job description and roles and responsibilities of a nurse manager. A nurse manager is the nursing organizational mastermind for a healthcare unit in a hospital or clinical setting. Supervising all nurses working within the unit, a nurse manager hires, trains, and evaluates nurses to ensure patient care is running smoothly. Some of the roles of the nurse manager are: the nurse manager will act as an educator, advocate, manager, care provider, leader, researcher, and collaborator. Let us see in detail about roles and responsibilities of nurse manager. As a nurse manager, she identifies patient service requirements by establishing personal rapport with potential and actual patients and other persons in a position to understand service requirement, and maintains nursing guidelines by writing and updating policies and procedures, and maintains nursing operations by initiating, coordinating, and enforcing program, operational, and personal policies and procedures, and assures quality of care by developing and interpreting hospital and nursing divisions, philosophies and standards of care, enforcing adherence to State Board of Nursing and State Nurse Practice Act requirements and to other governing agency regulations, measuring health outcomes against standards, making or recommending adjustments. A nurse manager maintains nursing staff by recruiting, selecting, orienting, and training nurses and auxiliary staff. Completes patient care requirements by scheduling and assigning nursing and staff. Following up on work results. Maintains nursing staff job results by coaching, counseling, and disciplining employees, planning, monitoring, and appraising the job results. Establishes a compassionate environment by providing emotional, psychological, and spiritual support to patients, friends, and families. And promotes patients' independence by establishing patient care goals, teaching and counseling patient, friends, and family, and reinforcing their understanding of disease, medications, and self care skills. Manager also provides information to patients and healthcare team by answering questions and requests. Resolves patient needs by utilizing multidisciplinary team strategies. Maintains safe and clean working environment by designing and implementing procedures, rules and regulations, calling for assistance from other healthcare professionals. Also protects patients and employees by developing and interpreting infection control policies and protocols, enforcing medication administration, storage procedures, and controlled substance regulations, maintains patient confidence and protects operations by monitoring confidential information processing. Nurse manager also maintains documentation of patient care services by auditing patient and departmental records, achieves financial objectives by preparing an annual budget, scheduling expenditures, analyzing variances, initiating corrective actions, ensures operation of medical and administrative equipment by verifying emergency equipment availability, completing preventive maintenance requirements, following manufacturer's instructions, troubleshooting malfunctions, calling for repairs, maintaining equipment inventories, evaluating new equipment and techniques. Maintains nursing supplies inventory by studying usage reports, identifying trends, anticipating needed supplies, approving requisitions, and cost allocations. Nurse manager also maintains professional and technical knowledge by attending educational workshops, reviewing professional publications, establishing personal networks, participating in professional societies. Maintains a cooperative relationship among healthcare teams by communicating information, responding to requests, building rapport, participating in team problem solving methods. She also contributes to team effort by accomplishing related results as needed. These are the roles and responsibilities of a nurse manager. To summarize, a nurse manager wears many hats and has many responsibilities, some of which are recruit, retain, and evaluate nursing staff, provide training for nursing staff if role is not designated to another staff personnel, act as liaison between interdisciplinary team and nursing staff, assist patient and families including handling escalated situations, managerial paperwork such as medical health records, oversee day-to-day operations on unit, manages, report and finances and budgeting. So in this video, we discussed about meaning and roles and responsibilities of nurse manager. Thank you.